Hello, this is a quick demo video explaining how Corows works and how you can start using it to build data solutions that you can share with your client or with your team. So right now I'm logged into my personal workspace and I have this example solution where I'm pulling data from a Google Analytics account and I'm pushing that data into a BigQuery database. So to explain a bit more about how the editor works, on the right you have access to all the blocks that you can start adding to your sketch to form out the logic and build the solution. And if you're starting out with a new workspace, you'll be able to go into the public library to add the blocks from there. So you have your community blocks, which are essentially functions either added by other developers or the Corows team. And the great thing about these is each one of them is open source. So if you're a developer, you can go into the code and edit it for your own use case. And you also have all the API integrations here. So these are all also blocks that you can add to your workspace and start using them in your solution to pull and push data from. So with each block that you have in your solution, you'll be able to go into the configuration panel for it. So this is an API one. So the first thing you would do is authenticate it. And after you have given it access, you'll be able to select the parameters, like the accounts you want to pull, dimensions, and so on. So if we run this solution, it will start off by executing all the sources, and once the sources finish running, it will propagate that data into the proceeding block and so on. So whenever any block in our solution finishes running, we'll be able to go back into the configuration panel and preview the data that it had pulled and make sure that it's the way we want it to be. So after you test your solution and you make sure that everything is running properly, you can choose to automate it so you can have it run every X amount of time. And you can also share this solution with your team or with a client. And you can also submit it to the marketplace where it will be reviewed by the Corows team. And if your solution is unique and it fits the guidelines, then it will be added to the marketplace so that other businesses and other developers can start using this solution. And the developer doing the submission will be rewarded with royalties accordingly as well. So this is just a quick summary of how Corows works. Please get in touch if you would like us to help you get started. And thank you.